This video today is going to be brought to you by the company Ririhair. This is my first time working with them, so you guys know I'll make sure to leave all of the details down below. But this is what their packaging look like. You guys know I love when companies have nice packaging. They send you the information card. They also send you of how to take care of the hair card, and it's kind of like a thank you also in one. They give you a wig cap in the box, and they also give you a nice brush to brush through the hair. So this unit does come with your soft lace. It comes with an elastic band that is detachable from it. You can take it off. 2 combs on the side, a comb in the middle, a comb in the back. And the thing about this company that makes it a little bit more special is that it already comes with bleached knots. So you don't have to do anything to it. And it also comes with the pre-plucked hairline. Also comes in a natural color. Like, to me, this is a very true natural color. This is what it looks like after I washed it. I did not do anything extra to it. I didn't pluck the hairline. I didn't go into the parting space or anything. So this is what it looks like. I did go ahead and flat iron it just a little bit, and I wanted to show you guys the parting space along with the hairline. Now notice underneath when I was doing that my cap was a little bit on the oranger side, but the lace on this surprisingly did not come off too orange, because I noticed like a lot of the times when companies send you already bleached knots, then it can come off too orange. This lace is also a light brown because I did not mention that. If I would change anything on this unit, it would definitely be to get a darker lace color. I'm just going to cut the lace off of this unit, and I'm going to attempt to cut over by the ear area. The issue I had with this elastic band is that it comes up very far. It comes up very far by the ear, and with it pulling for extra security, I will let you guys know that it was a little bit uncomfortable for me. And I have a small head, and this is a medium cap size. It was very tight. I felt like it was kind of digging into the back of my head, and I felt even when I cut the lace off, that I couldn't really move it the way I wanted to, just because of how it was sitting. Again, you can take that elastic band off and just add in your own, which I will probably end up doing so that I can have a little bit more room in the cap, because you want it to be snug but not so snug to where it's uncomfortable. So now you guys see me go in and just pulling out some of the hair in the front and cutting them down. My razor comb was just not cooperating with me, so I just ended up using my scissors, and I'll just be putting a little bit of foam wrap along the hairline. Guys, I was so unsure of what I wanted to do with this unit, because my initial goal was to kind of do like a half up, half down style, but it just wouldn't work out because I honestly did not want to have to glue this whole unit down or add any adhesives. So now I'm just going to opt for a good old middle part. You cannot go wrong with a good old middle part. I also did switch up my cap underneath so that it could be darker, and as you guys can see, it looks totally better than when it did in the beginning, because that cap was a little bit lighter. Now I'll be going in with my wand curl and just kind of going over the top of this unit. Now this unit, it only comes with 4.5 inches of parting space. I feel like that is good, but I honestly wish that this unit with this parting space, it went back a little bit further. They do offer like a 5x5, and you can also get the 6x6 option, which comes with I believe full lace. So you can get the 4x5 part lace front wig, you can get the 5x5 part lace front wig, and you can get the 6-inch part full lace wig, which I believe that one takes an extra 7 days to make. After taking my Care wax stick, I'm just using my edge brush and just kind of smooth everything out. This wig did have a lot of short hairs at the very top, so I did have to lay them down. That was another con for me, but it's easy to lay down with the Care wax stick. And I'm also going to go in with the flat iron. You guys know this is the Kaposi flat iron. I'll make sure to leave all the links down below, and just kind of run it over a little bit, because I need this unit to lay very flat, especially because I have a middle part. I feel like when you have a middle part in your head, like, it needs to be laying flat, unless you are rocking like some type of curly hair. Usually with kinky straight hair, I always feel like if I don't tie it down with a scarf or anything, I need to go in just with some extra gel or something just to kind of swoop over that little hair in the front to make it lay down without it keep popping back up just because of this hair texture. So I just used a little bit of the Got To Be gel in the black bottle, and I just like literally dabbed a little bit on and just kind of swoop that hair into place. Now I'm just going in with my Ruby Kisses 3D Creator Contour Palette in the color light medium, and I'm just going around the hairline and I'm just filling in those spots so that everything can blend in. Even though this was bleached already, I still feel like I needed to fill in some spots. My only con about the whole bleach thing is that sometimes they do miss certain areas. I feel like the parting space was bleached, but the front of the hairline could have been a little bit better. But with the powder, it definitely all worked out. As far as this hair texture goes, this hair texture is nice. This hair quality on this unit is nice. I have nothing negative to say. I barely got any shedding. It doesn't really tangle. It feels very soft. I don't get any dryness with this unit. Even after I washed it, it didn't feel dry at all. My only con, like I said, is that I feel like it could have been bleached more in the hairline area, and then there was some flyaways. Also, when I rub my hair across my hands, across the top of the unit, like where the parting space ended, I felt like I could feel a little bit of the cap. So if it could be a little bit thicker right in that area, this unit would honestly be perfect. If you guys are interested in this unit, I'll make sure to leave all the links down below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification button, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys the next time. Bye guys.